In this Dotsama news video, I'll cover the latest from Moonbeam, Acala, Basilisk, and Amplitude. Let the chaos begin. Moonbeam, the well-known smart contract parachain on Polkadot, have partnered with Cosmos-based decentralized exchange Osmosis to enable cross-chain token swaps between the Polkadot and Cosmos ecosystems. The project announced on July 23rd. This means that it will be simple to transfer tokens between these two blockchain ecosystems. And you know how much I like Osmosis, right? Well, the integration is made available via the Acala network protocol. Acala is both a bridge network and a platform for cross-chain communication for smart contract protocols. The former allows tokens to be sent across different blockchains, while the latter is what enables decentralized apps to be deployed on different networks. The project raised $25 million in its Series A funding last year. Now, I love to see these kind of integrations opening up, especially because they open the doors to Cosmos, which is a popular interoperability ecosystem with many hardworking devs and shares some similar values to Dotsama. Moving on, Acala have announced the HRMP bridge between themselves and Aster is now open, and you can transfer AUSD ACA NL DOT from Acala to Aster, further expanding interoperability functionality. I was going to also discuss about the circulating and supply FUD regarding Acala in this video, but after doing some more digging into it, it deserves a dedicated video, and so I'll cover that in a separate video. Pendulum have announced that you can now check your rewards for Amplitude's crowdloan contributions on their website. Post a link to the tweet in the description of this video in case you're interested to check your rewards had you contributed to their crowdloan on Kusama. It's very simple to use. You just copy and paste your KSM address and search. Basilisk have also tweeted a screenshot of their DeFi dApp with the swap feature a while ago, and when I saw it and looked through their tweets, I have to say it does look pretty cool and it does resemble Basilisk, but it's nothing out of the ordinary. It's pretty similar to other DeFi dApps which have a swap mechanism. Basilisk also announced that you may see the Snek trying to bid for a second parachain lease to get an extension for a further 11 months, but be aware that you shouldn't contribute because you will not get any rewards. They actually plan to self-fund it some other parachain teams. But one of the most awaited for announcements has finally been announced, and that's that BSX will go live tomorrow with the AUSD pools on Basilisk, and I'm sure you've been waiting for this day, haven't you? That's been it from today's short video. Thanks as always for watching. Till next time.